We had a meteorite, a very special and unusual meteorite, land here in California in the past year, and I was very happy to have the opportunity to be a part of the search and recovery team. One of the most interesting things about this particular meteorite is it's what's called a carbonaceous chondrite, and that basically means that it has organic molecules in it and has a lot of things that are interesting to a life scientist like me. It gives us an insight, a snapshot of what was going on in the formation of the solar system back over 4 billion years ago. My name is Beverly Gurton. I'm the Assistant Director for Strategic Planning and Implementation, and I work at NASA. Well, I grew up in Dayton, Ohio, in a suburb near Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. Between the science class and the moon walks the same year, those two things were the things that inspired me to want to work for NASA. I went to Miami University in Oxford, Ohio for my bachelor's degree, and there I did get a degree in biology. After that, I went on to the University of Akron for my master's degree, and I specialized in exercise physiology, and then on to Ohio State University for my PhD with an emphasis in physiology. When I first came to Ames, I worked in the life sciences division. I first worked as a research scientist and a program manager in that group. I eventually became a branch chief and a division chief, and after working in that arena and working on a variety of payloads for the shuttle missions and the International Space Station, I had an opportunity to go to NASA headquarters. When I came back to NASA Ames, so I shifted my emphasis over to strategic management and analysis, where I'm at today. In addition to making contributions to the science and technical side, it allows me to be involved in a lot of cross-cutting activities across the center that involves just about everything that we do here at Ames, and allows me to have insight into most of what we do at NASA as an agency. Being there when the shuttle launched was very inspiring. It was something that I always wanted to do, and to be there and actually being supporting and working on some of the payloads that were going up on the shuttle flights made it all that much more important and inspiring to me. The person who influenced my life the most is my mother. So she was the person that I looked up to as I grew up. She was a registered nurse. She was also an Army officer during World War II over in North Africa. And she always would tell us that we should always strive to do the best that we could, and to always just work as hard as we could. And if we could work hard and be determined, that we could probably do just about anything that we wanted. Well, I think my advice to young people would be to always follow your dreams. Try to find a career that you can be passionate about, and I would also pass along the advice that my mother passed on to me, which is to always do your best and to always strive to make contributions and to help others.